Hi, this is Zoe with 4K Shooters, and I'm at the Frame.io stand with Danny. This is IBC 2018, and he'll go over the latest developments with Frame.io.
Hello, okay, welcome to Frame.io, everyone. We're delighted to be here at IBC. We have a number of great things to talk to you about the new Frame.io. We're, content creators. We're used to working with great images. We can do that with the new 4K player at Frame.io. Here, this wonderful piece from Mark Toyer, looking at this gorgeous looking content. But here within the Frame.io player, just looking at the quality of which you play back, you can see here, I'm switching that to our 4K playback and then replaying this gorgeous looking content at 4K. And doing that in a browser play, you can imagine how powerful that is, but giving you the best possible experience to look at this content. Moving on from that, we've looked at our project pages. We've rewritten that from scratch, again, making it easier to look at your content. So here, just even doing things like version stacking, we've looked at the animations, we've looked at the ease of use, making it easier to put things on top of each other, the feedback about how many items you've got in the storage. The whole thing is a lot faster to operate. So if I go into where you've got a project with a lot of items, just being able to move around that space just so quickly, it's a lot more responsive. Then we've done a whole rewrite of that entire project place, making it easier to work with. We've updated the way you share and communicate presentation pages and review links as well. Another key area that people have been talking to us about is I want to expand Frame.io into my workflow, and I want to be able to do that with an API. We're pleased to announce that our API is in beta so that you can just go to our site. There's a dedicated developer website. The documentation that is there is fantastic. Looking at workflows with things like web links, being able to do custom actions. So let's say, hey, I've approved something in Frame.io, but I want to do a custom workflow where I want to move all of that to archive. That's possible with the API. And maybe you want to do a single action like saying, hey, I want to have that particular item go to my website as a headline story. So the new API is going to allow a number of deeper workflow integrations into the content creation environment.
Sounds very exciting. And when is all this available?
Now.
Even better. Thank you, Danny. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Cheers.